So one example that's really telling here, it's the idea of harnessing hurricanes. Hits a little bit on the project, the Big U in New York that I showed you. This is a student of ours in the master program, Joshua Nichols. It's very simple. It's the problem of the fact that every year in the southwestern United States, we have devastating hurricanes. Now, again, in New York, that was rare. But in this southeastern area, more south of New York, it's a typical thing every year. So this student, Joshua, really wanted to see how can I use computational design and parametric visual scripting to kind of inform what I'm designing, yeah? So he basically used that, learned to manipulate the form of his building based on the data from these softwares that gives you also a visual, a visual scripting of this solution. So that's the thing with artificial intelligence in architecture. It doesn't just give you numbers or text. It gives you forms, that follow the data. And that's pretty amazing. That's a new technology, no? So as a result, he generated fully parametric scripts, and he looked at all the data, local data, national oceanic and atmospheric administration data, topographic data from NASA shuttle radar topographic mission. So he managed, with all the existing current technology, to drag all the data in to, in the end, create a complex set of kind of results that helped him create a final structure that is dynamically shaped for the exact local data of this exact site location. And what I like, it's the process. I don't have enough images here, but this is basically a place where everybody could shelter under in the case of a hurricane. It's easy to build. Many of these can be built in this area. People just need a few minutes to know, and they can all gather there for safety. And this building is the best shape for that wind direction in that area and all the other forces and elements created by the hurricane. So that's an interior solution, but remember, this is a building to shelter and protect people from the elements, just in the case of an emergency.